Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some more true wireless earbuds, alright? But you know how we do. Let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, alright? And then when we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products that I review on the channel, alright? Alright, now we got all that business and politicking out of the way. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, today I got the AMORNO True Wireless Bluetooth speakers. Before I take them out of the box, let you get a close-up of the box. See what's all on the box, on the back. Got your, you can pause this. A little closer, you can pause this and read it for yourself. True Wireless Earbuds with microphone. You see on the box got a picture of, I guess, an airplane and hi-fi sound and a built-in mic. There's a little branding on here, music and sports. You know, pretty nice little box. Got them in the rose gold. And before I do that, let me tell you where you can get them from. Get them on Amazon for you can Amazon for $55.99. Let me see, yeah, $55.99. All right. Let's go ahead and take these bad boys out of the box. I've already been using them. I'll just put them back in the box, you know, for the sake of the video. Get the earbuds out of the box. See what else is in the box. Let's see here. Got your micro USB cord right here. Got 2 extra sets of ear tips. Let's see here. Warranty cards and all that good stuff, instructions. Good to go. Let's put them to the side. Don't need those because I've been using them. Let's see here. Put that to the side. So far, these have been some pretty decent earbuds. Pretty decent earbuds. Let's bring up the case. Got your little branding right there. Got the AMORNO branding right there. Close it up. On the back, give you some specs. Bring it closer so you can read that. Tell you some specs on here. Pretty decent. Okay, let's see. Bluetooth 5.0. Let me read off some specs to you. We got Bluetooth 5.0, built-in mic, deep bass, yes it does, with stereo sound, sweat-proof, noise-resistant, noise-canceling earbuds, charging case, you know, gold for sport. All right. And it has a 500 mAh battery in the case. 500 mAh battery in the case. So, you know, you're good to go on there. So, and also a good connection too. Good connection. So, let me go ahead and take them out of the case. We'll show you around the case and everything. Nice little aluminum case, plastic top. You know. You got your LED indicator light, lets you know when it's charging and when it's done charging. And you got your micro USB slot, charging slot. Take the earbuds out. These are pretty much, you know, quick and simple to the point. You know, they're not really, you know, they don't have a lot of functions on both the earbuds. Basically, you only get is play and pause, and there's no skip track and all that good stuff. But overall, they sound pretty good. Let's take this. Just take one of them out so that I can give you a close up of it. Like so, you got your little. I still had the plastic on while I was using it. I just wanted to check them out and see how they sound. You know, got a little telephone icon on here, and you got your little microphone right here with the AMORNO branding right here. You can see like the little microphone right here. Little ear tips, pretty good. And like it's like almost like they're molded to fit right in your ear, so you know you don't have to worry about them falling out. It's like they fit, like just like they were built to just go right into your ear. I mean, they fit nice and snug. So, and the sound is pretty good. Got some decent bass on it. And one thing I like about these also is that you can use them independently. You know what I mean? You can use this one. You can use right or left. You know, you don't have to use both of them. It's like if you just want to use one, that's good to go and have one paired to another device. That's a cool feature. I like that on there. You know, you have to control the volume from your device itself. But you know, no biggie for $55. You know, hey, no, it's no biggie, no biggie. Like I say, 3 hours charge, 3 hours play time, and I want to say it has an additional 10 hours charging time. But I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, so you can go click on Amazon and check them out for yourself. But overall, I'm pretty impressed. I've been using them for about a week or so, and I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed with them. You got your little connector right there, so you can see in the case. And I will say, when you put them in the case, the charge, they go in very, very snug. And you have a power button right here. So if you want to turn them on to make sure they're charging, close the case. See right here, it's a little charging button. Get it closer, you can see it. And once I push that button, you should see the lights come on. Let me hold down again. Make sure they're snug. Let me make sure they're snug in first. Let me turn the light down. Maybe the light in the studio is the reason why I can't see it. There you go. Well, I don't think that's doing any more justice. Let me open it back up. Hold. There we go. There you go. It came on. So now when you push the button, so make sure you want to make sure they're charging. Always push that button, then close down, and you see the charging. You can see the LED light on there, let you know that it's charging. And now we want to plug them up. It comes with a micro USB cord to go ahead and charge them up. And turn the lights back on in the studio so we can see what we're looking at. Ooh, blinding, blinding. Yeah, when you're charging them up, when you plug USB micro USB cord in here, which I don't have plugged anything right now, but it will to let you know that it's charging. The LED will be red and it'll be blinking. Once they're fully charged, the LED light right here, we'll decide the way the LED light right here, the little light right here, will stay solid red and let you know that it's fully charged. So blinking lets you know it's charging. Solid red lets you know that it's fully charged. So other than that, these are pretty decent. Like I said, you know, you can use them together. But what I will tell you, when you first take them out, before you pair them to any device, pair them to each other first. Pair them to each other first, then pair it to your device or whatever you're using, your tablet, your phone, what have you. Do it that way first, because if you don't, you might have a problem pairing them when you want to go to use them both together. So pair them to each other first, then pair them to your device. Like I say, after that, you know, you can just take one out of the case, and it'll give you an option to, you know, to pair one earbud to your device. So if you want to use them, you know, by themselves, or, you know, pair each one to a different device. So that's a cool feature. Other than that, pretty much basic earbuds. Good sound quality. Call quality was pretty decent. Sounds pretty good. I didn't have no dropouts, no anything like that while I was using them. Because I used them out, you know, outside with a very windy day. All kind of lawn equipment was going on out there. You could hear all the lawnmowers and all that stuff out there, and drowning out that sound. Sound pretty good. So if you're in the market for some, you know, some cheap, budget-friendly Bluetooth wireless Bluetooth earbuds, 5.0 Bluetooth, I highly recommend these. These are the AMORNO True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And the little saying on here, it says for smart and activity. Okay, that's their little thing right there, for smart and activity. So check these out, get a chance, check them on Amazon. Appreciate you guys checking out the review. Just been a little quick review unboxing. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, tell a friend, and you'll be notified of new videos when you hit that notification bell. And like I said, when we get to 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products we do on the channel. Alright? Appreciate you guys checking out the channel. And with all you guys' support, I know we'll reach that 2,000 subscriber mark. Alright? Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is, be confident in everything you do. Alright? Be confident in everything you do. That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark, Blues, Blues, and Views. And I'm out. Peace. Drop the mic. I'm going to get a microphone so I can do that at the end, right? Alright. Y'all have a good day. Alright? I'm out. This is your boy Mark, Blues, Blues, and Views. I'm out. Peace again.